Over here, you can see that I got multiple video clips over here, and what you can do over here is easily add in titles to them. So here you can see that I am in the cut mode, and then I got multiple clips lying around over here. So I can go around onto titles, and here you can see that there's different titles that you can select from. So if I were to go around over here onto any titles, then you can see the preview for those specific titles, as you can see. So let's say I want to add in this title right here. So I can simply go around and drag it in on the top of any video clip right here on the second video layer, as you can see, just like this. And there you go. There's the title, as you can see. If I were to go around and then select the title by clicking on it and by going into Inspector, you can go around and see that you can edit around the text as well. So I'm just going to go around and rename this to TutuTube, and then this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. You can go around over here and then you can select around, let's say, for example, different text right here, just like this, different type of text over here. And then this is what you have. So you can go around and select out the color option over here as well. You can work around with the size, as you can see, the tracking between the text. As you can see, there's line spacing that you can work with, especially when you have multiple text lines. You can work around with line spacing and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can go around and change around different options by using the sliders over here for this particular title that we just brought in right here. There's box color over here as well that you can select out and then apply out the box color that you wish to see over here, just like this. And you can work around with blue, you can work around with green, as you can see, just like this over here. You can work around with red over here, just like this, and even add in motion blur to it right here. So whenever there's like a motion right here, then you can go around and add in, let's say, for example, stutter angle. You can go around and then add in a bit of blur to it so that a bit of motion blur is applied onto what you have. You can also increase out the quality so that there's a bit of blur applied to the title as well. So that is what you have right here. And in settings, you got regular options such as zooming in and out, position, and so forth. So title specific options are available over here in the title setting right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with titles inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.